Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alex. Thank you for being here. So today I'm going to go pick up the pottery that I painted last week. If you watched my last vlog, I'm so excited to see how it's going to turn out. So we'll go pick that up. And then today I want to show you guys a couple of DIYs that you can do for the springtime. It is raining again today, so I figured we will just relax at home. So let's go pick up the pottery. Okay, y'all, I couldn't leave yet because, oh my God, y'all, the mug turned out so cute. So if you've never gone to pottery paint, this is your sign. This is your sign. I definitely will be back again because I am obsessed with this mug. Okay, y'all, so I'm back home from picking up this cute mug, and as you can see, I immediately went to go make a cup of tea. I figured because it's raining like you saw, this is the perfect time to do some baking. So I got this cute, so cute baking pan from Joann, and it is so cute. And I figured this is perfect to bake some banana bread, which I've been craving. So we're gonna make some banana bread in this pan. While the banana bread is baking, we're gonna do those spring DIYs that I'm so excited to show you guys. I think y'all are really gonna love it. Feel free to make a cup of tea with me, but we got our tea and let's go bake some banana bread and start on those DIYs. Okay guys, so while the banana bread is baking, we're gonna start on this DIY. For this, you'll just need some clay. I like the brand Sculpey Primo, a cutter, an X-Acto knife, and a roller. You wanna make sure you cut off enough depending on the size candlestick holder you wanna make, but I cut about this amount of white and I'm just gonna roll it out. I have a pasta machine because I have a small business where I make clay earrings, so I just switched over to this to make it a little bit easier for me. But yeah, you want to roll out the clay and then flip it in half and continue rolling it out just to condition the clay and get all the air bubbles out. And here I am rolling it out with my acrylic roller, telling you that you do not need a pasta machine to do this. You can do this with a rolling pin. It just takes a little bit longer and a little bit more muscle. I wanted to do a pretty lavender candlestick holder for spring, so yeah, I would suggest starting out with a little bit of a color to add into the white, and if you want to intensify it, then you can add more as you go. But yeah, start with a little, and then you're just going to condition it again and roll it out and keep going until the color is mixed. After mixing it through my pasta machine, this is the color that I ended up with, but I decided I wanted to add a little bit more purple to make it more vibrant. So yeah, just continue to mix it until you get the color that you want. This shade of lavender is perfect for me, but I decided that I wanted to give it a speckled effect. So I'm just going in with some gray granite and adding it to the clay. But if you do not have this, you can also achieve this look with just pepper in your home. But yeah, I'm just conditioning it through my pasta machine again until the speckle color mixes, and this is what it should look like afterwards. So now I'm rolling it flat to make sure the clay is stuck to my tile, and I chose this flower cutter, which I think is perfect for spring, for the base of the candlestick, and I'm just cutting it out. Now I'm using the extra clay on the side to make the cylinder that the candlestick will rest in. You can measure how high up you want it to come up on the candlestick, but this is about the length and the height that I want. So now I'm just going in and wrapping it around the candlestick to make sure that I have enough. Then you want to go in with the X-Acto knife and cut off the excess just to make it look seamless and neat. Now I'm just going in and pressing and blending the edges together to give it a more seamless look. And if you want, you can take some rubbing alcohol and smooth it along the seam to make it a little bit better. Now I'm just placing the cylinder in the middle of the base, making sure it's perfect. And if you want, you can start to press the bottom into the base to blend it to make sure it won't move anywhere. Or you can go in with liquid Sculpey like me. This is just a bonding agent to help two pieces of clay stick together. So I am just rubbing that on the base, and I am going to measure it out in the middle to make sure it's perfect. And yeah, I really love liquid Sculpey. And this is what it should look like, y'all. So cute. So now we're gonna bake it in the oven at 270 degrees Fahrenheit for about 40 minutes. For this next DIY, we're going to be making some painted candles. So yeah, you're just going to grab the paint of your choice. I'm using a cream and a yellow and some tapered candles. And yeah, this one is pretty self-explanatory. You just go in and paint whatever design that you want onto the candlesticks. So I'm painting some yellow flowers because it's spring. But yeah, you just paint whatever you want and it turns out super cute. Now I'm just going in and adding the centers of the flowers. And this is what it looked like when I finished painting all the flowers. And y'all, this is the finished result. I absolutely love how it came out. You could do so many different designs with this.